a special gift also, ha? 6 people, 3 girls and 3 boys. Now, 3 girls, 3 boys and 3 girls, please. Come here now. Sige na. 3. Come here, 3. Ito na to. Yes. 3 boys and 3 girls. Okay. Now, our games is okay now. Girls, boys first in the back and girls in front. Our first game is we call Hep Hep Hooray. Okay, you know already Hep Hep Hooray, huh? Okay, I'll explain to you also. The Hep Hep Hooray is the famous games in Philippines. Okay, so what we will do? Once I put the mic to you, Hep Hep. Hooray! So this is a thing. Okay, example ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hep Hep! Yes, hooray! Okay, example. Here. First. Okay, here. Okay. If I said, hooray! Okay. Example ha. Practice muna. 1, 2, 3, go! Hep Hep! Mali naman eh. Ulit ang practice natin ha. Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! If I said, hooray! Hep Hep! Okay? Understand? Okay. Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray! If I tell, hooray! Hep Hep! Yes! Oh! See? Ako kasana is already knows, okay? Okay. This is already final, ha? Who is the one moving? We will fight for the boys, okay? So now, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, Hep Hep! Wala ba energy? Hindi, oo. Pagkatapat ko ng mic. Hep Hep! Sinabi mo ng Hep Hep, diba? Tapos hooray ka na. Atasan na. Okay, last na. So this is the final, ha? If I said Hep Hep, you must be hooray. Yes. Okay? So now, ha? This is the final. 1, 2, 3, Hep Hep! Hep Hep! Oh, very good, ha? Oh, pasok pa. Okay, ha? Ayusin mo agad. Ito ang ahakot ng mga dito. Okay. One more. Please, kailangan energy naman. Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray! Okay. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray! Hooray!
Masaya.
Ulit. Okay. Dalawa na lang kayo. Okay, ha? Hep Hep, hooray.
Yan po ang
hooray.
Christmas party.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hep Hep! Okay na sabi. Kaso na parang nag-iisip pa eh. Okay. Senso dito na. Okay, na. 1, 2. Kaya naman mabilis ha. Pero mabagal out ha. Maganda ka naman pakikano namin ngayon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Galing. Ano to ha? Palaban na si Ate, palaban sa Ate. Palaban ha? Very good. Okay. Music. 1, 2, 3, go! Hep Hep! pinakagusto. Okay? So, 1, 2, I will choose. So you must be ready. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Seven! Sorry, you're already out of the game. Okay? Very fast, huh? Very fast. Okay, we are only two, huh? Sarah and Walter. But, make it fast, huh? No slow. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Hepe! Wow! Our winner is Sarah! Sa Sarah! Yan po. Ito ang ating gift for you. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Picture. Picture muna. Yan. Okay, congratulations to our first game.